Hi guys, Christina here. Hope everyone is doing amazing. I've come here today to tell you about the Halloween collaboration cake I've made for Instagram. My Instagram account is at Christina's Cuisine, and you can see all the pictures from the collaborations there. It was a pastel collaboration for the Halloween celebration. But I've made a coffee and walnut cake, a Mary Berry's recipe. And then I made an American buttercream, but I've used black cocoa. So that black cocoa is a bit bitter. And combining with the coffee, it gave the cake a very rich, very dark taste. It was very different from the normal cake you would eat. But I got thumbs up and lots of love from my neighbors who tried it, so all good. Yeah, the video on YouTube will be on rapid again, as you're used to by now. And if you like what you see here today, please subscribe to my channel and tap that little bell, that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And all the best, guys. Thank you so much for watching, giving me a bit of your time. Until next time, take care of yourselves and go break an egg. See you soon.